Hello guys, so today we're going to unbox two of our items for our vlogging. So dalawa yung binili ko from Shopee and it's for my GoPro Hero 7. So since ito lang yung available camera ko and my mobile phone, I decided to upgrade it to have a better audio quality. So this is the first item. It's from Lazada. So we will try. This is the Umanzi GoPro protective housing. Hello, so we're now going to try to open this. Let's cut this. Yay, I'm so excited kasi gusto ko talaga mag-invest sa good audio. As a starting vlogger, yun din yung nakita ko sa mga advices nila. So parang hindi ako. Okay. Tada! It's so nice! It's so nice! It's so nice. Tingnan natin. Oh, ano meron? Uy! From One Gadget. So, this costs, yung Saramonic mic is 881 pesos, while the Umanzi V2 GoPro costs 230 pesos. Mura lang siya, guys. Nabili ko siya during the 6.6 sale. Nice, nagpadala talaga sila ng resibo. So, this is about, the total of these two items is about 1,101 pesos. Galing. Pero, wala na siyang mga freebies. Wala siyang freebies, guys. Sorry. So, what do we expect here? So, ito kasi yung housing ng GoPro is okay naman siya. But then, wala siyang mic. Although Hero 7 is built, has been built with 3 built-in microphones, may mga external noises ka pa rin na maririnig. So, I decided to upgrade it with the Saramonic XR XM1. As you can see here. Let's focus the camera there. So, this is said to be lightweight. Marami ako nakitang good reviews nito eh. But our problem is we cannot connect this microphone directly to GoPro. Kasi yung hub ng GoPro is Type-C. There, it's the Type-C cord. So, what I did was to buy another connector. And this one is from GoGo Express from Shopee. So, this is the GoPro adapter, Type-C adapter to 3.5 millimeter. Bubulol ako. So, we'll open this now. I think it's worth it naman to invest in these things kasi magagamit mo siya for a long time. Yung GoPro ko po is nabili ko nung before, last year, nung pumunta ako ng Ilocos. So, naka-bubble wrap din siya. So, set this aside first. So, it's bubble wrapped. So, nirapan nila na extra. It's not Sony, it's GoPro. Nirapan nila extra wrapping. So, tada! So, ito siya, guys. It's 3,090 pesos. The GoPro, it's the GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter. Nabili ko siya galing sa Colors Digital Photo from Ayala. Yung address dito is Ayala Center, Cebu. So, but I bought this from Shopee, ha. So, it's 3,090 plus shipping fee. Wala siyang discount, guys. I tried to find a discounted item, but wala talaga ako makita. And I think Colors Digital Photos is the only store na authorized mag-sell nito. So, ito na. Ta-da! So, it comes with a lifetime warranty card. So, let's keep it in the box. Tago natin ito kasi importante ito. Yan. And then, let's try to open it. Let's try to get... Ta-da! It's short. It has a Type-C USB hub and a 3.5mm jack. So, ito kasi, pwede mo siya magamit while charging. So, using a microphone. So, ito yung purpose niya talaga. So, let's try it sa ating GoPro. Well, it fits well. Yun. But then, hindi natin siya ma-house sa housing na original ng GoPro. That's the problem with it. So, we're gonna have to use the Umanzi V2, which is made talaga para sa ganitong setup. So, we're gonna try this. We're gonna unbox this now. Ta-da! It's small. It's kind of made of plastic. Hindi ako sure. Parang plastic siya eh. Parang plastic siya. It has a shoe. Ito po, over here. Para ito sa microphone din kung magamit yun ng Rode. So, dito siya papasok yung ating ito. Yung hub na to is dito papasok. But my problem is hindi ko pa alam pala kung paano kunin yung door ng GoPro ko. Kasi dapat ipasok siya for a while. Just have to press this. Easily siya ma-open. There. Kunin natin muna ito. So, yung kagandahan nito is madali mo siyang masara kasi isa-slide mo lang siya at madali mo rin siya ma-open. Just have to push it a little bit and on the sides. So, napakadali talaga, guys. My problem is hindi ko pa alam kung paano i-remove yung door ng aking GoPro. Baka masira ko siya. Hindi ko talaga alam, guys, kung paano ko siya Sige, I'll just put it here. Hindi ko pa kasi na-discover kung paano ko ma-remove yung yung door. Yung GoPro. But it goes, ganda siya, oh. It fits well with my GoPro. Napakaganda ng fitting niya. And then what we just have to do is to unlock this. Lagyan natin yung door. Balik. Bakit parang ayaw kong nararapan ako, guys. Ayaw na siya. Ayan. There. So, what we're gonna do is to attach it here. Okay, I'm pushing it to the wrong side. And ito is ipapasok natin to. It should go on the other side. Ay, tama. Parang ganito. So now, we'll just have to plug it in here. Kasi hindi ko pa alam talaga kung paano to i-open. And then, we can have the microphone. This time, we're gonna unbox our microphone, the Saramonic XR-XM1. Tingnan natin. It says here na yung sensitivity niya is to negative 38 decibels. So, it comes with two stickers. Meron siyang warranty card and a quality certificate. So, ganyan. You can use it. You should attach this here. It's for the microphone para hindi siya masyado ka-sensitive. For the wind protection. So cute talaga guys, as in super small siya. And then it's bendable, so you can adjust it to whatever, it's bendable so you can adjust it to whatever angle you like. And then we're just gonna have to pop it in here sa ating 3.5mm jack, and there we have it. This is the setup. Ito, insert na natin to. We have the setup for our GoPro, which is ultralight, and then ultralight and compact. Ganda guys, as in. This is nice. This is really, really nice. So, right now we're gonna have magkakaroon tayo ng audio check. Tingnan natin. I will remove this. I will dismantle this para masubukan natin yung ating GoPro. Then, just have to push it para dali siya makuha. And then, audio check for Saramonic XR-XM1. Mic check, mic check. Audio check for Saramonic microphone. Audio check. Audio check for Saramonic microphone. Audio check. Audio check for GoPro built-in microphones. Audio check. Check 1, 2, 3. Audio check for GoPro built-in microphones. So there you have it guys. Our newest addition sa ating pag-upgrade ng ating vlogging equipment. So we have the Umanzi V2 for GoPro Hero 5, 6, 7. And then we also added the GoPro 3.5mm adapter and the Saramonic ultralight and tiny microphone, which is very useful. Thank you for watching guys. I hope to see you in the next vlog.